Patient dies from the coronavirus in Jamaica. Jamaica has now recorded 38 confirmed cases of the COVID-19 in Jamaica. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now, the health ministry has reported that a second patient died from the coronavirus COVID-19 in Jamaica. The patient, who the health ministry says was recovering, died this afternoon at the University of the West Indies. Now guys, please make note, I've been watching a lot of documentaries, and one of the similarities that each of them have with COVID-19 patients, they say that you get better before you get worse. So this thing will trick you to think that you're getting better, and then it just attacks the body. Now, according to the ministry, the patient was found unresponsive and was noted to have a cardiac arrest. So a cardiac arrest is a sudden loss of blood flow resulting from failure of the heart pumping effectively. Signs include loss of consciousness and abnormal or absent breathing. Some individuals may experience chest pain, shortness of breath, and nausea before the cardiac arrest happens. So this thing will kill you slow and wicked. Guys out there listening, I encourage you to take this serious. Practice your social distancing, sanitize, and if you can stay at home, do so, please. It was further said that resuscitation measures were not successful. In the meantime, the ministry says Jamaica has recorded 2 additional COVID-19 cases, because remember, the last time I checked, we were at 36. Now we have 2 additional cases, bringing the number to 38. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Definitely turn on your post notification bell. And this is the Sauna room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.